it's me, Dakota, and Dylan. So, I'm gonna make some more. You ready? Let's go. Let's go.
All right, so you got to start with the graham crackers, okay?
Okay.
All right, and then you got to put
Marshmallows.
marshmallows or chocolate?
Chocolate.
You put chocolate. So you put a piece of chocolate. Mmm.
Yummy.
Hershey's.
Hershey's.
So you got to put a piece of chocolate right here.
Wait for me.
Hold on, I'm gonna do yours too. Here, put a piece of chocolate in yours. There you go. Here, Dylan. You got to put another piece of chocolate on there. Here, put the chocolate on there, right there. Okay, thank you. And then Dylan, you got to help Coda, okay? Give it to Coca.
Can I see? Thank you.
All right. Perfect. Now grab a marshmallow. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to put the marshmallow right on top. Yep. No, not over there. Over here.
I got it.
Perfect. Now, what you're going to do now is you're going to put the other graham cracker on top.
On top.
Yep. So, put the other cracker on top. No, hey, your cracker right there.
Ta-da!
Okay, I'll just take yours, okay?
Okay.
Okay. And you put that right there. So what we're going to do is we're going to put it, wait, patience. We're going to put it in the microwave and let it melt, okay?
Melt?
Yep.
I don't want to melt.
But we got to make it melt because we got to eat it.
Eat it?
Yes. Dylan's trying to, I don't know what she's doing. You ready, Dylan?
Can I have 8 chocolate?
All right, let's go. I'll give both of you a piece of chocolate just so you can have it, okay?
Okay.
Don't tell Mommy.
Mommy?
What the? Here,
Mommy?
don't tell on me.
What?
Because if you tell, then I'm going to get in trouble.
Trouble?
Yeah. All right. We're going to put this in the microwave for 30 seconds, okay?
Mm-hmm.
And then we're going to come back and it's going to be melted, okay? All right. High five. High five. Oh, high five. Okay. So now we put them in the microwave and now they're ready to eat. Are you ready?
Yes.
So you got to put this on top. Put it on top.
Where's it go?
Just like this. And then you got to smush it down. Just like that. Now, you got it. Chocolate everywhere. So now, what you got to do is you got to eat it. You want it? Here.
It's good for me.
Mmm. Try it. Pick it up and eat it. Oh, the marshmallows. Mmm, that's pretty good. This is my first time eating this. Mmm.
Now, where's yours?
I'm eating mine with Dylan. It's pretty good. You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know you do. That's okay. You're gonna get dirty. It's cool. Here, Dylan. Look. Mmm. Mmm. Yay! Want some more? More? This is really good.
Yeah.
What are you doing? You took it apart.
Look, that.
You took. Oh my God. Hey. Okay. I guess we're done.
No.